Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and taking care of yourselves. Welcome back to the computer online session of class 4. Student, in the previous video, we were on lesson number 3 and half of the explanation of the chapter was already done. Now today I am going to continue with the remaining portion. So everyone please take out your books and open page number 49. So in the previous video, I have given you shortcut keys which is on page number 48 as homework, and I told you to write down the shortcut keys in your fair notebook. I hope you all have done your homework. Now I'm going to start with this page number 49. The first one is your print preview. So before you print your document, you have the option to preview the final outcome before sending it to the printer. For that, you can use the print preview menu item on the file menu to do this. Right. Now I'll tell you about printing. So to print your document, select the print menu item on the file menu. So you will be given the option to select your printer, the number of copies you require and other options before printing, like how many copies you want of your document. You can set the page margin, right? You can select the size of the sheet. Everything you can do in this printing option. But before printing the final outcome or for the final document, you can choose this print preview option. और जब आप ये print preview option choose करेंगे तो आपको दिख जाएगा कि पेपर पर आपका जो प्रॉपर वर्क है वो आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. देन अगर आपको फाइनल आउटकम या फाइनल प्रिंट आउट निकालना है तो यू कैन चूज़ योर प्रिंटर मशीन एज वेल एज यू कैन गिव कमांड टू योर कंप्यूटर. देन फाइनल आउटकम विल कम. ओके. Now we are going to start with thesaurus. Now what is thesaurus? Student, if you are trying to find, just write the word. The thesaurus provides synonym for any words you have written. Now what is the meaning of synonym? I'm sure all of you knows the meaning of synonym. Synonyms are the word with same meaning, right? In English, you have studied this, right? The words with same meaning are known as synonym. So a thesaurus is a book, software program, or online service that provides alternative or similar words to a word. Okay, for example, I'll tell you searching for brave may return synonyms like courageous, daring, fearless. Okay, like if you are searching for brave, the synonym will come like courageous, daring, fearless. Means the meaning of brave is courageous also, daring also, and fearless also. Bold, an antonym like cowardly. If you are going to find out the antonym of this, so it will find cowardly. Antonyms are the opposite meaning word. Synonym are the same meaning word, but antonym are the opposite meaning word. So the synonym for brave are courageous, daring, fearless, and bold. And the antonym of this will be cowardly. So a thesaurus is a software tool included with some word processors that provide synonyms for selected words on command. Users using Microsoft Word can open a thesaurus by highlighting the word they want to look up and pressing the shortcut key Shift plus F7. Okay, so from here you can find out the synonyms of the words which you want. Okay, student, this is a type of dictionary containing the similar words. Now the explanation of the chapter is already done. I'm going to start with the quick recap section. इससे आपको और क्लियर हो जाएगा that we have discussed in the chapter. हमने जो जो chapter में पढ़ा है. So there are two parts of ribbon, that is tabs and groups, and we may select any text by using mouse also. Formatting refers to the changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive. The look and shape of the letters of the text is called font, right? And the size of the letters of the text is called font size. Now, undo refers to cancelling a command given earlier, and redo means to reverse the undo action. I hope you all have just remembered these things we have discussed in the chapter. Now, the way in which text is placed in a page is called alignment. We have discussed right alignment, left alignment, justified, right, student? Now, we may give different colors to our text also. Okay, means we can change the color, the size of our font also. Okay, now words to remember. These are your short notes, and you have to do these in your fair notebook as short notes. So number 1, justify. So what does justify means? To arrange both edges of all lines straight. Align, to arrange data in correct position. Okay, so this work you have to do in your fair notebook as short notes. This is your homework, student. Now I'm going to start with multiple choice question and fill in the blanks. So it is on page number 51. So first of all, multiple choice question. Here you can see the question is given and 3 options are given. You have to find out the correct option and then you have to make a tick. And if space is given, then you have to fill also. So number 1, what does editing means? So what does editing means? Editing means copying, pasting or changing. So what does it mean? It means changing, right? Means if we have done something and if it is wrong and if we want to edit or if we want to change something, that is called editing. Number 2, the shortcut keys to paste text are. So what is the shortcut key? Control plus P, Control plus V or Control plus C. So the correct answer is Control plus V, right? With the help of Control plus C, we can copy our text. What we can do? We can copy our text, and Control plus P shortcut key is used to print the current page or document. So the correct answer is Control plus V. Now third one, the size of character is called font size. What it is called? Font size. We have just discussed in this also, right? Now table option is present in dash. So in which group it is present? It is present in table, sheets or chart groups. It is present in tables group. Okay. Now we'll start with fill in the blank section. So here as you can see, a green box is given and the answers are given in this green box. We have to find out the correct answer and then we have to fill in the space which is given in your book. So let me start with number 1. So number 1 is making changes in a document is called editing text, right? We have discussed here also. So making changes in a document is called editing. Now number 2, we use copy and paste command to dash text. So why does we use it? To copy text. Number 3, shortcut keys Control plus U is used to dash text. So it is used to underline text. U for underline. U for underline. Okay. Now number 4, review tab is located on the dash. Where it is located? It is located on the ribbon. Okay, student. So I hope you all have understood the video as well as the work. So what you all need to do is you all have to practice for reading, and whatever the work I have given you, you all have to complete that work also. Now in the next video we'll meet again with the remaining portion, that means question answers. Till then, all of you stay home, stay safe and take care.